I appreciate the fact that Louise really took out the time to provide this platform and also being kind enough to give how should I put it? Some people would do the kind of stuff that she's doing, but they will not dedicate the time and effort to the people, the participants that pay the money for it. They might tell you, okay, we'll have class tomorrow. The next thing they'll tell you, oh, okay, something happened. And before you know, you're supposed to have like 20 classes, but you end up having like 6 classes. So I appreciate the fact that she gingers us to make sure we attend our classes and also give us assignment to at the beginning, and we're coming back the next and she telling us, okay, you did well or you didn't do well, you should do this way. And also kind of helping us, making sure that we cut corners, more like giving us the back way to do things rather than wasting a lot of money. Because I'm pretty sure if a lot of person meet her on this platform and having her guidance and pathway to things that we've been doing, I'm pretty sure a lot of us would have, personally me, I think would have lost a lot of money. So I'm really grateful for that. And